Hello, Harlan Siegel, Vice President of Launch Tech USA. We're going to be featuring our new launch X-431 GDS, our newest addition to the full professional lines of OE-level aftermarket scan tools. Welcome to our new launch X-431 GDS. Our new GDS features a next-generation X-431 diagnostic software suite. What that means is that not only do we have our heritage Euro and Asian software that we've been known so well for over the years, but now feature a very powerful domestic OE-level capability that gives you that OE-level functionality that can be matched by none in the aftermarket. The GDS features a robust cabinetry and true PC architecture. Unlike many units in its capability class that typically run on a CE level software or an ARM processor, your GDS runs on Windows embedded and a 1.2 gigahertz processor, which gives you the speed and the capability for getting onto any website, including Internet Explorer, or even add on your favorite J2534 tool, or even going on to one of the more popular information sites such as IATN, AllData, and so on. On the GDS home screen, you'll also see capabilities for optional modules that will be offered very soon for the GDS. One will be a lab scope, and the other is a sensor box. What a sensor box is so many times a part is replaced because you really don't know the signal that it had put out, and wondering what would happen if you had put a replacement part in with a good known signal, but how about if you were able to do that without having to get that part? How about if you had the capability where you could literally draw a waveform of either a sine wave, a square wave, a sawtooth waveform, or whatever that signal may be, and have the unit generated out and almost be a substitution box for that sensor? That's the capability of the sensor box. When we get into our software suite, as you can see the global power of the GDS. The GDS is the only scan tool in the aftermarket that has no missing car lines. That is, we do every make, every model available in North America, which means you never have to worry about that car coming into your shop and wondering whether your car has OE-level capability, not just read and clear codes, but get into the bidirectional functionality tests that are so needed today with the complex cars that are out there. We're going to get into this 2011 General Motors car and just show you how simple the capability is. Part of the next generation X-431 software suite includes a module search, which means while you're working on another car, your X-431 GDS can simply be scanning every module in the vehicle for any potential codes, either pending or existing, and then simply report that back to a customer for drivability sales opportunities. One example of capability is OnStar. So many cars today are well off a warranty and may have an issue with OnStar, which is not good in any circumstance. A customer may complain that they enter the OnStar or select the OnStar button, yet nothing really happens. And we have the question, is it the switch in the steering wheel or wiring or something else with the vehicle? The only way to really validate it is through bidirectional testing. We're going to do that on this vehicle simply by selecting Vehicle Communication Interface. We're simply going to select Vehicle Communication Interface, and we're going to go Special Functions, and we're going to do a call test. So we're going to drive the OnStar just like we would if we would have pushed the button. So we're going to select the call test and check out OnStar. And there you hear OnStar. We're going to shut that off. Okay. And you heard us exit. So therefore, that the problem is not in OnStar itself, it's a switch or related wiring. That's some of the OE-level capability that you're seeing with our GDS and our new X-431 next generation software suite.